Have you ever pondered whether acquiring 10 Tesla shares may bring you wealth? I admit that I have thought about this issue a lot in my dreams. Even though many investors began liquidating their holdings toward the end of May 2022, some analysts and Tesla stock whales think that the company's stock price may still rise above expectations, possibly even sooner rather than later. We'll examine the data, the prospects for Tesla stock, and how a single share can make you wealthy in this video. Several well-known investors have made moves to anticipate a decrease in price. In that case, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you enjoy this content. Although we don't require their permission, we love to see the big investment brands' predictions come true. To put it plainly, the company's stats completely refute the Tesla bears. Based on the data, it appears that investors in Tesla are now nearly guaranteed a sizable annual return. For example, you would have spent $6,940 if you had purchased 10 Tesla shares in June 2021 at the top price. Your 10 equities increased in value by around $5,400 in just 1 year to about $7,000 by June 2022. Even though many people thought that Tesla stock would eventually plummet and see occasional dips like the one we're presently experiencing, the company has consistently performed incredibly well over the long term. Elon Musk's business has continued to lead in R&D and product development despite his unorthodox management style. Examining Tesla's most recent innovations, let's see if they can raise the stock price. Musk's tweet provided the first and most intriguing glimpse of Tesla's fully autonomous beta version 0.11 on the internet. According to the company's CEO, version 11 of the fully autonomous FSD Beta might be released globally by the summer. In response to a tweet regarding when beta version 11 of Tesla's FSD vehicles would be released, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, stated, "I am driving an alpha version of the FSD on the highways and it's not quite ready, probably ready for wide release this summer." There are other updates available for Tesla's fully autonomous cars, though. Elon responded that they anticipated to make the FSD vehicle beta version 10.13 available by the end of the month. When questioned about its availability, this was in the second week of June. Musk has stated that the future FSD beta releases will have important system enhancements, as well as an emphasis on navigating roundabouts. The great majority of Tesla's FSD beta testers have conveyed their contentment with the overall encounter and the execution of all things that were promised. Most importantly, though, if these releases and upgrades proceed as anticipated, investor interest in Tesla will rise once more. This surge may result in a sharp rise in the price of Tesla stock, which would be excellent news for those who already own it. Beyond the possibility that even 10 Tesla shares could be extremely valuable, there is more to this tale. Though the FSD cars are intriguing, it's not all about Tesla's innovations. Elon Musk has declared that a prototype of Tesla's Optimus Prime robot will be unveiled on September AI Day. The robot isn't nearly ready for its public debut unless it can be seen with the human eye. The event date has been pushed up, the CEO declared. Since a teaser for Tesla's masterpiece, the Optimus, was unveiled during the company's inaugural artificial intelligence presentation in August of last year, both fans and critics have been eagerly awaiting their first glimpse. Musk thinks it will be even more important than the company's original electric vehicle segment. Elon claims that Optimus is a multifunctional robot with a suite of cameras, sensors, and a self-piloting system that will be completely operational and able to navigate on its own. In order to achieve this, Optimus is developing a robot that, similar to how Tesla's well-known electric automobiles are continually being developed, can do things like go grocery shopping and give tours of a person's home. Around the world, investors will be interested in the possibilities of AI robots. If it can meet the high expectations for the reveal and show improvement, the knock-on impact will be incredible. Without a doubt, artificial intelligence will play a significant role in the global economy. Since Tesla hopes to lead this trend, just as they did with electric vehicles, the stock price will soar. If Tesla establishes itself as the market leader in the emerging AI space, investors holding 10 shares or more stand to see their money quadruple in value within 2 years. Similar to what happened when the stock was around $100 and they watched as it multiplied by 5 and then 10 until the bubble burst. Another fascinating subject is the possible impact of Tesla's project expansion on the company's stock price. Starlink satellites will be housed in Brazil's Amazon region, according to a recent deal between the corporation and the Brazilian government. The main goal of Starlink is to bring internet connectivity to parts of the world where millions do not currently have it. Significant progress has been made in the last few months with recent agreements and alliances with our nations to manage its projects and its area. This would make it possible for thousands of remote schools that were previously without internet to take part in the intensified surveillance aimed at preserving the Amazon rainforest. Elon Musk's own enterprise, SpaceX, is spearheading the Starlink project and has multiple ties to Tesla. In this sense, Tesla's share price has benefited greatly from SpaceX's success with its Starlink project. Following the completion of the Starlink system's global rollout, Tesla may see a surge in both domestic and foreign investor interest. In early June, Tesla Inc., pursued a 3-for-1 stock split. As far as we know, this resulted in a decrease in the stock price of the company, making it more appealing to investors looking to get a deal. The large-scale liquidations in May 2022 served as the impetus for the proposal. Tesla announced in a statement on August 4th that, should the proposal be granted, this will be the company's first stock split since August. The goal of the stock split is to increase the company's accessibility to retail investors while also assisting employees in better managing their equity. This wouldn't directly impact the bottom line of all the companies, but it would undoubtedly assist sustain the share price by drawing in new investors in the wake of the recent drops. As the price of Tesla's stock fell to a 2-year low, investors demanded that Elon Musk, the company's CEO, and the board repurchase shares. Tesla's valuation increased by around $700 billion in the previous year. Musk stated on Tesla's Q3 earnings call that the company is preparing a sizable repurchase for the upcoming year, most likely in the $5 billion to $10 billion area, but the Tesla board will ultimately have to make the final decision. Existing shareholders would own a bigger portion of the company if the number of outstanding shares was decreased by buying them on the market. Alexander Mears, a prominent figure and enthusiast for Tesla, has started a change.org petition requesting that the repurchase take place before the end of the year. Mears claims that by doing this, Tesla would be able to take advantage of its drastically discounted stock price and avoid paying the 1% excise tax that will be imposed on buybacks exceeding $1 million starting on February 1st, 2023. As recommended by Mears and other investors, a repurchase of Tesla stock would demonstrate confidence in the company's future performance and return money to stockholders. Tesla has been mulling over this brilliant idea for a while to get investors interested in its shares again. It might result in a big buy-in from investors after the split, which would have a big impact on the stock price together with all the other advances and the possible buyback. 10 Tesla shares at this time could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars in the future. Do you think that all of this will be necessary for Tesla's stock price to rise sharply? Tell us in a comment below. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed this video. In the upcoming video, I'll see you.